OJIBWE, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and over here, the lovely and the talented Natasha. BOOZHOO, Winnie Mushin. Say hello, sweetheart. BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone. How you doing? Okay, BOOZHOO to everyone here this morning. Mino Giga Jebe. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. And today, on our live stream, I'm just raring and ready to go. Are you really? I don't know. Kinda. How are you? I'm doing great. What's new? What's new? Let's see. What's new? What's in the news? This is a breaking news. I've stopped watching the news. Really? Kind of. I guess I haven't watched anything in a couple of days. I mean, it's weird. I'm constantly on YouTube. You'd think I would, I'd catch some headline news. Oh, here's something. Drew Carey's ex-fiance got murdered. Really? Yeah. They had to cancel, what's that show? The Price is Right for a couple of days so Drew Carey could grieve. Oh, too bad. Yeah, I guess. I didn't really know that was still a show, but how come why do they have game shows? What do you mean? Like, does anybody watch The Price is Right? What's the point of that? I don't know. Hey, but Jessica's here. Bonjour, Jessica. Mino Giga Jebe, good morning. Jessica's here, sweetie. Bonjour, Jessica. Yeah. So I saw that on the headline news. Oh, you know what? That's where I see my headlines. What's that? On YouTube. Not YouTube, but Yahoo. There's a brief, 2-3 seconds when my eye goes from the headlines to the incoming mail. And then I click mail. Because I still use Yahoo. And I saw a picture of Drew Carey crying, and it says, "Tragedy strikes, so Price is Right is postponed." And you got to know why. So, what could have happened to halt the production of such an important show as Price is Right? Well, turns out poor old Drew Carey's former girlfriend died. So our hearts and our prayers go out to Mr. Carey. Drew Carey, not the other Carey. Jim Carey? Yeah. Jim Carey's ex-girlfriend died too, but I think he he might have had something to do with that. What do you mean? You didn't hear about that? Jim Carey? Yeah, Jim Carey's girlfriend overdosed for the drugs she got from Jim Carey. So, you can talk about an awkward funeral when Jim Carey goes, "Hey, hi, you know how your daughter, she was dating me and I gave her a bunch of STDs and then she overdosed on the drugs I gave her? I'd like to be a pallbearer." And they're like, "What? Get out of here, Jim Carey." He goes, "No, come on, I'm that wacky comedian." But anyway, today is not about Jim Carey. Today is about Drew Carey. And our hearts and prayers go to you, Drew Carey. This is a weird way to start the show. How you doing, everybody? BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO, I was learning. It's nice to see you here. Today's Ojibwe word of the day is brought to you by our proud sponsor, Land O'Lakes. Land O'Lakes butter with its new mascot, Sylvester Stallone. Sylvester Stallone says, eat Land O'Lakes, because that's how winning is done. Land O'Lakes. And it's fitting too, because we're doing a show from northern Minnesota, the land of 10,000 lakes. And the people at Land O'Lakes, they got sick of all that racism from the old. Remember the old mascot? This racist piece of advertising? Well, now they got Sylvester Stallone. So congratulations, Sylvester Stallone, on your new gig. And today's Ojibwe word of the day is brought to you by Land O'Lakes. Huh? That's insane. Yeah, I know. All right, so what are we talking about today? Wait, Weeb, hurry up. Why can't you hurry up, Land O'Lakes? We've been waiting for you to solve this racism problem. It was a good start to ban our lovely little Land O'Lakes girl. I think we called her Nia. Was that her name? Because her knees would show? Let me make her small again. I know we've talked about this before, but I just thought it was kind of funny to see Sylvester Stallone in this little dress. But Land O'Lakes is our proud sponsor. From the land of 10,000 lakes and one Indian girl and two knees. Land O'Lakes butter. Banned. Get away from me. Wee, hurry up. Because today's Ojibwe, a gibberish cartoon. Before I get too carried away. Let me get out of the way. How about that? They can't even read it. Wait, Weeb, Misa Jidamu, hurry up, gray squirrel. And Misa Jidamu, he says, Beka, wait. Why can't you wait? Little butterfly. Now that's a butterfly. And yesterday our word of the day was bigwesi, caterpillar. But today that caterpillar is turned into a butterfly. And now that butterfly is a mamangwa. Mamangwa is a butterfly. Bigwesi is a caterpillar. And you say, oh, what's a caterpillar, Nanaboozhoo? And I say, how do you not know what a caterpillar is? What kind of school are you going to? Well, luckily, we have a caterpillar here for you, if I can pull it up. There we go. Bigwesi, caterpillar. That's a caterpillar, sweetie. Yeah, I see that. And I'm a mamangwa, butterfly. Yep. Bigwesi, mamangwa. Wee, Misa Jidamu. Hurry up. Why can't you hurry up? But then he says, hey, why can't you wait? Beka. Wait. Just wait a minute. Everybody's in such a rush. Even me. Sweetie, why can't you beka? Why can't you wait? Maybe I should just wait. Let's just wait a minute. Collect our thoughts. Why do I just got to jump right into it, That's not our way. It's not our way to just jump into Ojibwe language stuff? Yeah. I mean, who do I think I am? Who are you? I don't know. I think I'm But I also think that Heather Jackson's here. Hey, bonjour, Heather. Good morning. And Brandy Marie. Bonjour, Brandy Marie. Brandy Marie's here, sweetie. Bonjour, Brandy. And Joseph under the rock. Hey, Joseph. Bonjour. Wisani. Mino Kiksheb crew. Don't forget to hit that like button. Give us a like if you like us. And if you don't like us, that's okay too. Not everybody's going to like you. That's one thing I learned, sweetie. What's that? In life, not everybody's going to like you. Some people are going to look at you and they might say, hey, you know what? You've got cute little knees. I like you. But somebody else may look at that and go, hey, you know what? You're racist. Why don't you get lost? Why don't you and the Fighting Sioux just take a hike? We don't like you. That's what some people think. You don't like the Fighting Sioux? No, I don't care. I never cared about that. About mascots. I mean, it kind of goes back to what we were talking about yesterday about feelings and being offended. For some reason, in a modern age, we became the people of accommodation. If you're offended, then people got to jump. It doesn't matter anything else. Because truth is subjective. Oh, in my truth, you did something that hurt my feelings. And so now you have to do X, Y, Z or whatever, Whereas in the days of our grandfathers, somebody got their feelings hurt and they're like, dude, don't admit that. That's that's kind of not very manly of you to complain. Oh, I was offended. Your words hurt my feelings. It's like, easy. You got to be stoic. You got to act like you just came back from killing a buffalo. But our people never killed buffalo. We were fishermen. You want to look like you just came back from catching a fish? This isn't Dances with Salmon, But, so, yeah, we're living in the days of the offended. The offended rule. This is the most passive-aggressive time in history. Hey, man, you mispronouned me. Oh, by the way, Bonjour crew, and Daniel Black and Jim Dunn, bonjour, fellas. We got our special award last night, huh, sweetie? Yeah, that was cool. And I even wrote it down, but I forgot the guy's name now. It was named after a guy. But the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast on the radio won a special distinction for on-air talent and something creativity. What's the point of writing it down if I don't bring it here so I can read it? But anyway, we got kind of a special, pat on the back from our radio station last night at their annual Zoom call meeting or whatever. And why am I telling this? Some dudes about being offended and mascots. Oh, la la la. I don't remember. But Brandy Marie's proud of us. Thank you, Brandy. Brandy just said congratulations. Thanks, Brandy. Yeah, thanks, you guys. Appreciate it. We do this little show once a week. It's a 5-minute word of the day. And we'll have people call up. It's kind of a mini version of this thing, And it's pretty cute. It takes a little doing. You got to record your voices and whatever. But comes on once a week. And so we got our pat on the back. I'm just proud. But What were we talking about? Why I wanted to bring that up? Being offended, mascots, racism. I don't know. Oh, so there was a lady there. She kind of messaged me. She goes, "Hey, I got this radio show called Native Voices. We should get you guys on the radio. You can talk about Native issues." I'm like, "Yeah, sure. What are some Native issues?" And then she mentioned something. No, that's not what it was. I mean, yeah, we're all going to do that. We're going to be on a radio show called Native Voices. And, once again, it's kind of like I spent my whole life, nobody wanted me to say anything. And now everybody wants me to chime in and, speak on behalf of Indian people. What do Indian people think of Black Lives Matter? I'm like, what? I couldn't generalize for Indian people any more than I could generalize for men. Well, men think this. So, well, you're going to find people on both sides. But I got a message from another lady. She was like, "Hey, we're doing this summer program, and wondering if you'd like to come out and talk to our kids about social justice, undoing racism, and Black Lives Matter." I was like, "You want me to come out and talk to your kids about Black Lives Matter? I don't think so." Why would you assume that I'm on board with Black Lives Matter? Are you out of your mind? My cousin's a cop. My grandfather used to be a cop. My cousin Tommy, he was a chief of police. I mean, I don't know. No, and it's awkward. You got to go, "No, I'm sorry. I'm not offended by that. You probably don't want me. I don't want you to get the wrong impression of me. I'm not really that offended." That's what it has to be. That's what this was all about. Being offended by stuff. In a way, you get a lot of goodies if you're offended. But in another way, and then people assume because you're Native, you must be mad. "Oh, you must really hate those mascots, huh?" Like, what? No. "Don't you hate that guy and the Village People?" "Oh, that's racist. He shouldn't wear those feathers." It's like, yeah. I never really thought about it. And no, I don't hate. I'm kind of proud of that Indian guy from the Village People. I mean, come on. He's a working musician. Leave him alone. Yeah, all these powwow dancers, they wish they could dance as well as the Village People. I say the Village People, that guy from the Village, whatever his name is, the Indian guy from the Village People, get ready for your hate mail. I think he's a better dancer than most of the powwow dancers. There, I said it. Come and get me. I'm looking at you, hoop dancers. Yeah. I like the Village People. That's real dancing. YMCA. How many people, when's the last time you went to a wedding dance and you saw a bunch of people dancing with the hoops? Never. When's the last time you didn't go to a wedding where they danced YMCA? Even Donald Trump was doing the YMCA. So important in sharing the Native American culture, the Village People. Yeah. Today we honor not only the Carey brothers, Drew and Jim, but also that guy from the Village People. On Celebrity Tuesday. Yeah, let's do that. Tuesdays are Celebrity Tuesday on BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. The Ojibwe word for celebrity is mucky muck, whatever. All mucky muck. I don't even know what that means. It might just be a Leech Lake thing. But when somebody acts like they think they're better than somebody else, they're like, "Oh, that guy thinks he's all mucky muck." He's all mucky muck. He's a great what? So, celebrities are famous people. And lots of times these famous people, they do amazing things. They can play sports really well. They can sing songs while they play the guitar or the piano at the same time. Sometimes these guys will even dance. And then a lot of these celebrities are also people who just pretend in front of a camera. That's not really so much a talent as just they were born good looking. So some people are really, really good looking. So today is celebrity focus. I would like to focus on really, really good looking people. So who do you think is really good looking, sweetie? Men or women? Men. And celebrities? Yeah. Who's a really good looking celebrity? NANABOOZHOO. I'm not a celebrity. I'm just a celebrity to like 10 people. I'm famous. I'm a hundredaire. Like I have hundreds of dollars, like $300 or $400. And I'm famous to dozens of people. But like, who's somebody who's a real celebrity that you think is handsome? I think, well, I guess Brad Pitt or Johnny Depp. I don't know. They're getting kind of old, though. Yeah. But I suppose Brad Pitt, Johnny Depp, Paul Stanley. Yeah. Yeah, Paul Stanley being on top of my list, too. So they get rewarded for being handsome. Who are some beautiful women? It's weird. Now that you ask me, it seems like it'd be easier question to answer. I could tell you who I don't think is attractive a lot easier. Yeah, me too. Who do you think is ugly? Who is famous? Oh, it's so easy. Ellen DeGeneres? Yeah, ugly. Oprah Winfrey? Gross. Just name it. Yeah, you're right. Why do I suddenly think all the celebrities are not that attractive? Anyway, that's hardly gossip. So Ellen DeGeneres gets canceled. She's famous and not that pretty. And she had a talk show for some reason. And she would have other celebrities on there, and she'd make fools of the other celebrities, and she'd try to scare them. That's the lowest form of comedy. What's that? The shock. Where you hide behind a door and you go, boo! And everybody laughs when the person goes, gee, you made me spill my thing. And the person laughs, oh, look at you, you look so stupid. I jumped out from nowhere and scared you. That's so funny. And I'm like, what? In fact, I had to call somebody out once. Did you really? Yeah. I mean, I feel a little embarrassed because she might watch this show. I hope she doesn't. But it was somebody I used to work with. And, we were friendly. But she thought... She was somebody who thought that was funny to just jump out from hiding and scare someone as a boo. And that was a form of, like, humor. And she did it 2 times, kind of in short around it. And, I did the, yeah, haha, yeah, okay. Second time, whoa, yeah, I didn't see it, haha. Third time, I go, what? What is the joke here? Quit doing this. That's not even humor. You're just shocking me. Cut it out. And then she felt bad. And then I felt bad. It's like, well, look, I'm sorry. I know you think that's funny. And I look like the jerk. I know you expect that to be kind of like the humor. I don't know what people who do that think. Are they trying to like suck off the energy of the surprise birthday thing where people are hiding? They go, surprise, happy birthday. And you guys, that dorky big smile. What? I didn't know you guys. People like that. What they don't like is boo. It's like, get out of here with your scare joke. Let's see what these guys think. You should accept it. Give those kids a dose of truth. Yeah. Problem is, this was a grown woman who did it to me. I kind of took offense after listening to Russell Means, and he stoked my spirit. But now I don't have any ways of stopping it, and I can't fight everything. Yeah. There's certain people. I mean, I think half of it is I'm getting old and I've just mellowed out. But there used to be certain people like Russell Means, or especially John, what's his name? Trudell. Guy's just great. I mean, just really inspiring AIM leaders, American Indian Movement guys. And they'd get you just fired up. But, you know, that was also, let's see what, 50 years ago now we're talking? Since the, you know, AIM, you know, things are different now. And so I've mellowed. There's got to be some progress that was made against what the AIM guys were fighting for in 1970. John Trudell. You know, yeah, John Trudell's great. But, you know, there are still kids who are being inspired today. You know, you go to college and you still read John Trudell. And you get all the kids fired up about fighting the patriarchy and the evil white government who's eating our souls. And how our very existence is under attack. And you kind of go, yeah, you know. Everybody wants to be traditional, but nobody wants to give up their cell phone. It's like, come on, Dad. Dude. You know. What is it? Are you going to live the old ways? Or are you going to be on Xbox? You know. Going to have a Twitter account and talk about how we need to reclaim our culture. So, yeah, no, I don't... I'm a closet non-radical. I used to be a radical. So you would think I'd be a little more, you know, understanding. I guess I am understanding. I get it. It's a phase you go through when you're young. When you see everything as racism. Oh, man. You know, why is it wild rice? Oh, sure, if it comes from Asia, it's just rice. When it's white rice, it's just normal. But when it's our rice, they gotta call it wild rice. Oh, yeah? Well, guess what? Yeah, we are wild. We're untamed. Easy. Just settle down. Why are you so mad? Oh, sweetie. Yeah. I don't know. How about you? What? You offended by mascots? No, don't care about mascots. And what about like even Land O'Lakes and Fighting Irish? Nope, didn't care at the time. Do you feel better that they got rid of them? No, don't care one way or the other. It's just butter. Yeah, that's the other thing. You know, having a mascot on a box of butter didn't like fill me with pride. So when they censored her, it doesn't fill me with rage. Do what you want. I don't even eat butter. Unless it's peanut butter. That's true. When's the last time we bought butter? When we gave up eggs, we stopped frying. So, yeah, I don't remember the last time I just ate butter on something. Hoka, hey, la la la. Should we call somebody? Who do you want to call? Oh, I don't know. Let's see. We could call Hitler, Michael Jackson, Prince Harry. Oh, Megan. You want to call Megan? She's always offended. Yeah, let's give Megan a call. Okay. Megan Merkel, for you little guys watching the show, you might not know. Back before the days of the grandfathers, back in the good old days, English people used to live in a different country called England. And these people, they had a king and a queen, and then their kids would be called prince and princess. I'm not sure what a jack was, but they're worth 10 points too. And then there was also an ace and a joker, but then everybody else in the kingdom had a number. And so one day, a kind of an unknown D-list actress, or maybe she was on a reality show. Was Meghan Merkel on a reality show? I don't know. I think she was on a reality show. She somehow meets the Prince of England. And his name is Prince Harry. And they fell in love. And then they got married. And Meghan starts to identify as a person of color. And so naturally, she gets pretty offended by racism. And she ended up having problems with her family because of racism. Okay, sweetie. I got her on the line. Hi, Megan. Hi, it's Natasha from the NANABOOZHOO podcast. Would you like to be on the show this morning? Okay, hang on. She's going to be on line 2. All right, thanks. So we're going to get Megan here, and I'm going to get her to weigh in. Hello, Meghan Merkel. Welcome to the show. Oh my God! Why did you call me so early at home? Oh God, I can't believe that. Hi, how you doing? I'm fine. I'm just great. What's this now? You're on the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. What podcast? Oh, is that the thing about OJIBWE language? That's right. Oh, how you doing? Oh, I can't. Hey, honey. Yes, Megan. What is it? I got that guy from that show. He's on the phone. Oh, is it that BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO fellow? Yeah, he was that. Yeah. Oh, tell him I said hello. Oh, Harry says hello. Oh, hey, Harry. He says hi. Okay. Well, what do you want? I was just calling. We're talking about racism, and I know you had some hard feelings about the royal family or something. I didn't really catch all of that. What's going on? Well, it's just pretty simple, really. You know, I'm a person of color, and my stupid in-laws, they're racist. Oh, is that right? The Queen of England's a racist? Oh my God, it's not even funny. Yeah. So what'd she say that was racist? I don't even want to say. It's, God. And racist to who exactly? To me and my baby. Why, because you're an American? No, because I'm an African American. Oh, that's right. You identify as black. Sorry, I keep forgetting. Yeah, I grew up in the hood with my sisters. With your sisters? Yeah, we are family. I grew up in the ghetto. I lived a thug life. God, don't you even know nothing? No, I didn't. Again, I haven't been watching the news much. And I'll be honest with you, I haven't had like cable TV or Netflix or whatever for a long time. I've been kind of trapped in the 80s. I just watched stuff on DVDs, and I don't know, I kind of gave up TV somewhere along the line. And so when you got married and the whole, just all that stuff, I see headlines, and then I don't read the headlines. So that's why I wanted to call you this morning, because I figured I could just, ask you. So are you okay? Oh, I'm fabulous. I don't even know. You think you'll be able to work things out with your in-laws and stuff? I don't even care. If they want to be that way, it's fine. What do I care? Hey. Yeah, okay. Well, Megan, I'm going to go now because I think I just threw up a little bit in my mouth. Oh, not even. Yeah, you know what? We say that up here too, not even. Oh, my God. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Can I ask you a favor? What? I want to teach Ojibwe a word of the day. No. You're creeping me out. Come on. I mean, well, we already have it. First of all, it's OJIBWE. OJIBWE. That's a caterpillar, right? That's right. Oh my God. And what's how do you say that? Mamengwa. Mamengwa. A butterfly. That's like me, huh? Yeah. A beautiful butterfly. All right, I'm going to let you go, okay? Okay, well, hey, thanks for calling, and I'll talk to you later. Oh, my God. Yeah, okay. See you later, Megan. Hikes! Yeah, I know. Oh, she's just hateful. I know. What does he see in her? She must have been really cute when they first met. I know. Ugh. I feel sorry. It's weird. Meghan Markle has put me in the weird position of actually pitying the royal family. Like, I'm pretty sure they're behind a lot of evil. But I actually feel sorry for not him, his poor brother. You know, that's a sister-in-law. I feel sorry for that lady who married his brother, Prince Baldy or whatever. Daniel Black says, Megan sounds stoned. Yeah, well, she's living in California. Heather Jackson says, laugh out loud, trapped in the 80s. Me too sometimes. I know, isn't it weird? I'm almost embarrassed when like young people come in my house because they see my TV and they go, what is that? Well, this is a television. This is how they used to make them before they just made them out of paintings. You know? It's a big cube. It weighs 200 pounds. It's got a curved lens. And it still works. That's the problem. The stuff from the 80s still works. I got a boom box on top of the cabinet. What am I going to do? Throw away a perfectly good boom box? Still works. I got all these CDs. Oh, man. But the weird thing is, you kind of lose interest in listening to your old albums. Like, I'll go on YouTube and pull up an old album if I want to get nostalgic. I'm not going to dig around and pull up, Frampton Comes Alive. I want you to show me the way every day. I want you. La, 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 la. Heather Jackson says, I did like it when they changed Squaw Peak in Phoenix, Arizona to Pestawa Peak. That was cool. Well, Squaw gets a bad name, a bad rap. They got everybody thinking that squaw was the French word for, a woman's private parts. That's what they told me when I was growing up. They're like, oh, that's the worst thing in the world. Don't you dare ever call a woman a squaw. And then my old Ojibwe teacher, Benny Tontz, he goes, yeah, man, Squaw Lake. Well, it used to be called Red Lake, it was Misquagamiwi. And then it became Squagimiwi. And then it just became Squaw Lake. And I go, wait a minute, that means Misquaw Lake? He goes, yeah, what'd you think? Well, I thought it meant something else. He laughed. And he goes, you think they'd name a lake after that? And then they'd name that Squaw Lake, the town, after no. Misquaw means red. Misquaw. Misquagamiwi means red lake. And at least in northern Minnesota, there's lots of lakes that are surrounded by red cedar trees. And so, at least Benny told me, he goes, yeah, there used to be a lot more lakes called Red Lake. It wasn't just the two big lakes. A lot of these little lakes would just get called, oh, go down to the Red Lake. Where are we going fishing today? The Green Lake or the Red Lake? Oh, we'll go to the Red Lake. It's more walleye. So, But still, the problem is everybody thinks that word means, you know, G'd. I'm not going to get a YouTube strike for saying G'd because they don't know what it means. It's just like yesterday. The Ojibwe speakers are going to know what I'm saying here. But I had to use the word BOOZHOO. And, you know, it's not really a swear word. It's the crudest word we have. But, you know, I don't think I'm going to get the little beep when I say BOOZHOO or G'd. Today is the Ojibwe words of the day. Anyway, sweetie. Yeah? You got a phone call. Oh, really? All right. What line? Line 2. Okay, line 2. Caller, you're on the air.
Yes, Nanaboozhoo. It's me, Prince Henry.
Oh, hey. I was just talking to your old lady.
Yes, that's why I called. I would thank you not to speak so disrespectfully to my wife.
Oh, was I disrespectful? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to, what did I say that was disrespectful?
I just don't like your tone. And I think you should also refer to her as Your Highness, because she is a princess.
Is she, though? I thought you guys gave up that title. Your Highness.
Yes, thank you. That's better. You know what? I forgot that. Yeah, we did give that up.
Yeah, we don't need to call you that because you quit being Prince, I think. And again, I haven't been following it, but I think I heard that you told your whole family to, you know, suck it. And you were moving to California to be supportive of your wife's acting career. I'm an American, and I still find you kind of embarrassing to the crown.
I say, old chap, I've got to live the American dream.
You're going to live the American dream? You're a prince. Why don't you go and live in a castle? Crying out. If I were a prince...
Yeah, what would you do differently?
Number one, I wouldn't marry an American. If I were a prince, I would never drive a car. I would just ride a royal steed. I'd ride a horse with one of those big things over it. It would basically look like I lived in Renaissance times. And, you know, you're a prince. What were you thinking?
You know, now that you talk about it, I say, chap, I've made a big mistake, haven't I?
Who are you talking to?
Never mind. I gotta go.
Yeah, I'm just saying. You could have done anything and you ended up being American.
All right. Gigawabamin, Minawa.
Yeah, Gigawabamin, Minawa, Harry. Did I call him Henry again? I don't know. Prince Harry. Yeah, if I were a prince, you know, like even Prince, our Prince, the singer, yeah, even he kind of at least acted like royalty. He didn't wear regular clothes. You know, it's like Prince and Elvis, they wore like jumpsuits. Because you can't just wear store-bought clothes when you're royalty. If you're going to be the king of pop. Yeah, Michael Jackson too. You ever notice this? All this royalty, they always name their homes. Oh, this is Buckingham Palace. We built a building and gave a building a name. Buckingham Palace. And then Elvis is all, oh yeah, well I'm a king too. This is my palace, Graceland. And then Michael Jackson gets up there, oh yeah, well I'm a king too. And this is my house called Never Neverland. Oh, really? Why'd you call it that? Because never, never leave your kids here. And then there's Prince. You know, he's like Prince Harry, only of music. And his house, what was his house called? Paisley Park. Paisley Park. Yeah, Prince was really into Paisley that one summer when Paisley came back. Yeah. So his house is called Paisley Park. Should we name our house? What do you want to name our house? BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO land. I don't think anybody's going to call it that. No. Yeah, that's silly. But, yeah, if you're going to be a prince or a king or something, you can't just wear button-up shirts and jeans, little trendy beard. You got to wear a crown and a jumpsuit. Elvis actually wore a cape. Prince, or Michael Jackson wore that little onesie thing. Remember that in that one tour where he, it like snapped in his crotch area? His costume was basically what a baby wears over a diaper. I should have pulled up that picture. It was so weird. Anyway, celebrity. Celebrity Tuesday. Weirdos in celebrity. Sweetie? Yeah? We got a call. Oh, okay. Can you patch him through to line 2? Sure. Caller, you're on the air. Hey, Nanaboozhoo, it's me, Michael Jackson. Oh, hey, Michael, how you doing? I was just talking about you. Yeah, no, I was watching the show, and it's ignorant. Then why are you laughing? I don't know. I'm depressed. Why are you depressed? Well, because nobody respects me anymore. Nobody wants to come to Neverland. Well, yeah, because you told everybody you were dead. You know, it's kind of hard to, book a tour of Neverland anymore. Well, it's ignorant. They should come by and play. Yeah, I think somebody came by and took down your Ferris wheel and everything. Yeah, so it's so sad here. The train's not running, and they took away all my zoo animals, and hee. Is that your sad laugh? Yeah, that's my sad laugh. Hee. Yeah, you sure do sound sad. So what's going on? Well, I just wanted to call in because you were talking about me, and you're talking about celebrities, and celebrities are good people. Are you? Aren't you all just a bunch of narcissists and just, I don't know, lowlifes? No, that's ignorant. We could have saved the world. Hee. You're going to save the world? Yeah, don't you remember my song? Save the world or something? I think you're thinking of Feed the World. And that's not even the one you were on. You were on, there comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. Yeah, remember that song I sang? Yeah. What was that? We are the world. We are the children. I wrote that song. Yeah, that's right. Did you save the world? Yeah, we saved Africa. Oh, okay. I didn't remember reading that you saved Africa, but if you did, then, okay. Far be it for me to think. I heard that U2, that Bono, whatever his name is, he only gives 1% of the charity that he raises. Is that right? Yeah, that's what I read. He's a huge phony. So he does all this. He was in Live Aid too, wasn't he? Yeah, that's right. Were you in Live Aid? No, I was just on the album, but I didn't do the concert, I don't think. Yeah, what happened to you there? I don't remember. Do you remember why Michael Jackson wasn't at the Live Aid concert? No, that's true. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, U2 apparently, all the money they raise, they only donate 1%. So he's like going to Africa and stuff, filming videos with starving children in the background, He's all like, hello. We're one, give us your money, and we'll donate 1% to charity. Yeah. All right. Anything else, Michael? No, I just wanted to call saying you're doing a great job, and congratulations on your award. Oh yeah, thanks. Yeah, it was nice to have them kind of all tell us we're doing a good job. I don't know. It's the closest thing I have to a boss, sort of. So.
Yeah, I won a bunch of Grammys.
Yeah, you sure did. Was that the year you brought Brooke Shields and Webster?
Yeah, that's right. I bet Brooke was my one date. And then the actor who played Webster, Emmanuel Lewis, he was my other date.
Yeah. How come you stopped hanging out with Emmanuel Lewis?
Ugh, did you see what he looked like when he got older? No, thank you.
Yeah, he did get pretty... He wasn't that cute when he got older. So, yeah, I understand. But how come you stopped hanging out with Brooke Shields?
Same reason. Ugh. It's called plastic surgery, Brooke Shields. Check it out.
I think she has plenty of plastic surgery. She looks worse than you do.
Oh, get out of here.
Nah, I'm just kidding. In a weird way, Michael,
What's that?
I actually never thought you looked that bad.
What do you mean?
I mean, I kind of got it. No, you stopped looking human somewhere around the black and white video. But as a sort of half alien, half human puppet man, I don't know. I thought it worked. I mean, who cared what you looked like? You were on stage. Well, we wanted you to look like a regular 51-year-old man. I say people should have cut you some slack with the plastic surgery.
Well, thank you, Nanaboozhoo. I appreciate that.
Yeah, man. I got your back, Niji. Don't listen to the haters.
I won't. When I make my big comeback, that's what I'm going to sing about. Loving yourself for who you are.
Yeah. That's a good good idea, Michael. All right, I'm going to talk to you later, Niji.
All right. Gigawabamin, Minawa.
Gigawabamin, Minawa, Michael. I don't know.
What?
Now that I'm thinking about celebrities, and now when I'm comparing everybody to Meghan Markle, suddenly Michael Jackson doesn't seem that bad. Even all the stuff he did. I mean, let's face it, if the stuff he did is true, he did it to that little weirdo from Home Alone.
What was his name?
Who's the kid from Home Alone? Who's all grown up now? When you know what he's really like, you kind of go, well, I don't even feel sorry for you. If Michael Jackson abused you, then I got no sympathy. I feel sorry for Michael. I bet you Weeson knows. What's the name of the actor from Home Alone? I'm so out of touch. I can't even do a Celebrity Tuesday because I don't know who any celebrities are outside of Hitler. All right, you guys, you want to come up and say hello to the folks?
Sure.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to the show somebody very near and dear to my heart.
No, get out of here.
The lovely and the talented and the wise Nabwakowin. We almost did Nabwakowin as a word of the day. Nabwakowin, wisdom. Back in the days of the grandfathers, wisdom was what we would strive for. It wasn't celebrity. We weren't, make me so popular. No, that's important to 14-year-old middle school girls. But wisdom, that was what a man really wanted. Why am I saying this? I don't know. But, the wise, the lovely, the beautiful, and the wise. To give maybe some of the young people a bit of her Anishinaabe wisdom. Anishinaabe Minabwakowin. Let's bring up Natasha. But first, I'm going to play a song. Here's a song that is dedicated to the BOOZHOO crew. To everybody out there who has somebody in their life who's a celebrity. And maybe you kind of hate that person. But you still have to spend your holidays with them. You know? This song is for everybody who's related to somebody famous. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Let's see. What song is this? I think this song actually is Michael playing It's got nothing to do with you. I got no one still you won't do. After today I'd say we are quite through. I don't know the name of the song. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. Now so it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. And sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Well, sometimes and someday, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say these were the golden days. Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back. Like they went somewhere. Yeah, I'm the one who went somewhere. Hi everyone, it's nice to see you again. Macaulay Culkin, yeah. Macaulay Culkin. With all the Michael Jackson accusations. When people started to think about Macaulay Culkin, they were like, yeah, who cares? I'm just sorry it wasn't more physical abuse of Macaulay Culkin. One day, Michael's cartoon's gonna make him famous. Rich and famous. Just kidding. BOOZHOO. So today, what have we learned today, sweetie? Absolutely nothing. We learned that Meghan Markle might wake and bake. Meghan is pretty intolerable. Harry doesn't know how to behave as a prince. We learned Michael Jackson stopped being friends with Webster when he got old and ugly. Same thing with Brooke Shields. And Macaulay. Yeah, thanks you guys. Let's see what's going on down here with the BOOZHOO crew with Missy. BOOZHOO, Missy. And Daniel Black. Daniel says, Jeed. I'm writing that down. Yeah, Missy knows what I'm talking about. This is a children's show, you guys. Cut it out. Why are you boys talking about these adult things? I'm sorry, guys.
My name is Natasha, and I'm apparently the only grown-up here on the show because I'm here to give some wisdom teachings in a traditional way, in an appropriate way for young people, children. Hello! No, just kidding. Let's see. Missy says, oh, I don't hate you. Are you talking to me? Daniel, it is our word for... Oh, she's talking to Daniel. I'm going to let you guys talk it out. Yeah, have fun explaining these words, Missy. Don't forget to explain what OJIBWE means. Forget about... I ever said the word... Or non-believers said that. The word majada means to leave. Let's leave. Majada. Da. Majan is to leave. Oh, you know what else we learned? Weeb means hurry up. Weeb. If somebody's kind of hanging around, here's one thing that people get wrong about Native Americans. A lot of people say, oh, Native Americans, you guys are on Indian time. You know, you're the casual race. You're not all in the rat race. You guys just take your time. You're on Indian time. No. Sometimes we gotta go right now. Right stat now. Weeb. Back in the days, if the buffalo were running, you had to go now. There was no Indian time. You had to weeb. So if somebody's not moving fast in the Anishinaabe way, we would say weeb. Why do I look so crooked here? I think that camera's crooked. Weeb. And then gray squirrel is a misajidamu. It's a gray squirrel. But then somebody might say, Beka, wait. Why don't you wait a second? Weeb, misajidamu. Beka, wait. I haven't had time to wash my hands yet. I just went potty. Would you wait? I forgot my mask. Weeb, hurry up. I'm not sure where butterflies need to go in such a hurry. That's why this cartoon doesn't really work. Let's analyze this piece of art. Butterflies are never in a hurry. It's actually the squirrels that are the busybodies. Squirrels won't sit still for a second. Ever see that? And butterflies, they're the ones who are just kind of flittering around. So, weeb, hurry up. Hurry up and bika. Hurry up and wait. So, how does this tie into what I want to talk about today? Something about relationships. Some advice for young people to hurry up and wait. That was sort of the theme yesterday. When should I, do it? Weeb, tush, bika. Hurry up and wait. Just wait. You're not ready. If you're asking me, you're too young. And that goes double for the middle-aged BOOZHOO crew. You're still too young. You can't handle it. What was the other word? Oh, sorry, Daniel. I meant to say. Amwa bigwesi. Amwa bigwesi is a caterpillar. So, when you're a young person, and maybe you're a young person watching this right now, you're a little amwa bigwesi. You're a little caterpillar. You're crawling around. You're exploring stuff just underneath your nose. Crawling around in your belly. You're chewing leaves. You're trying to, just get through life. But you feel like something big's going to happen to you. You're not always going to be this little caterpillar. You feel like maybe you're destined for something great. And, but you don't know what it is. You don't know what you're going to look like. You don't know what you're going to do. You don't know what your talents are. That's what's so exciting and so confusing about being a kid. You don't even know yet what you're good at. When GOFUNDME, the Great Spirit, gives you a blessing, he might give you a talent. Like you look at some of these butterflies, some of these grown-ups, and they go, oh man, look at that guy, he's such a great basketball player. How did he get to be so good? You know, he wasn't just born with the basketball player's body. Yeah, maybe he was tall. But that's the blessing that he got to become what he became. It was that GOFUNDME gave him a tall body. But then, he gave him the ability, or maybe he helped steer his life, and he sent people in his life that would allow him to spend a lot of time playing basketball. And he gave him the personality trait that likes to wake up early and go for a run. He gave him an enjoyment of, running fast or whatever. I'm trying to use sports so I don't use art and music. But if you're a little person and you're wondering, what am I going to be when I grow up? What kind of butterfly? That's what the symbolism of the caterpillar and the butterfly is. Kids are caterpillars, butterflies are grown-ups. If you're lucky and you do it right, you become a butterfly, with beautiful colors and great talent and meaningful life. So for some people, that looks like becoming a, rock star. Become a famous movie star. Whatever the thing. Maybe you'll be a great singer, and you don't know yet. All you know is that you love singing, and you're really impressed with other people who sing. That's the blessing. That will start you on your path. When the caterpillar finally cocoons, he does it after he finds a place where he can wrap himself up, hang upside down for a while. He's safe to grow and change. So, find a safe place to grow and change. And it's okay if you have to spend some time by yourself. It's okay to spend time alone, to cocoon. And it's okay to struggle to become a butterfly. So like when we started this show, and we're still doing it in a way, but I kind of feel like this show was a caterpillar when we were doing a gibberish cartoon. So Michael was a caterpillar drawing cartoons, trying to teach OJIBWE. And then, cocooned away, thought about stuff, tried stuff, struggled, still had a job. But then eventually, we'd get up at 3 a.m, shoot some videos, mix it down, write a song, share it on Facebook. Pretty soon we're sharing it, There was a lot of struggle. It was kind of like a caterpillar trying to get out of that little cocoon. But then, almost overnight, it wasn't overnight. Just like becoming a butterfly, it looks like they just tear open and in a day, they fly away or whatever. But it's months of struggling. So give yourself some time to struggle in your cocoon. Practice the piano. Practice drawing. Actually take the time, do something bad. I've met a lot of people who have a dream of drawing a children's book. Oh, wouldn't that be cool? I have this great idea, but I can't draw. Do it anyway. Neither can Shel Silverstein. Draw it badly. But just do it. And that would be the struggle. And you don't know, you might wake up into the new thing. So, my last thoughts on today's little moments of wisdom, moments of NABOOZHOO. If you're a kid, be a caterpillar. Know that you can be a butterfly, but you gotta spend some time alone by yourself, and you're gonna have to struggle. You're gonna have to struggle to get your wings. It's kind of like being an angel. You gotta earn your wings. So maybe that struggle is gonna be, for some people, it's going to school. The struggle might be, to go on a diet, to quit drinking. The struggle might be, to give up your bad friends. Okay, this is my last idea. Maybe you've got a bunch of friends, and they say you become some sort of combination of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And you got these cool, fun drinking buddies. Or whatever. You got 5 naughty friends. People who you love, and they're funny, but they're probably not going to go anywhere. You can just tell. They might be criminals. They might be, So, if you want to be a butterfly, you might have to dump your friends. You don't even have to tell them. You just start spending more time at home by yourself, reading, researching, planning. Make a plan. Write down all the things you need to do to get the thing you want. Write down what it looks like to be a butterfly for you. I'd be a butterfly if I were a kindergarten teacher. If I had my own car, and I had a nice 1-bedroom apartment, and I had a job in my own kindergarten class, and I had my kindergarten teacher license, and, my whole life I just wanted to be a kindergarten teacher, and I want to be that. Well, get to work. You can do it. Become a butterfly. I don't know why I'm thinking kindergarten teacher, but, Anyway, all right, I better get moving. It's 9:13 already. These shows are getting long, sweetie.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. Heather Jack says, I like that song. I used to get very sad when I heard that song after my son passed. Oh, geez. I'm sorry, Heather. But now I'm not as sad. Guess I healed some. Wonder what song that was. Sorry about your son, Heather. Moth, the same as a butterfly? Moths are the ugly, are the poor, ugly cousin of the butterfly. Moths are kind of the trailer trash of the butterfly kingdom. But yeah, I think they're cousins. I had a friend, who was it? I think it was a cousin. Said she got a butterfly tattoo on her belly, but then when she got pregnant, that thing just grew into some sort of massive moth. She didn't like it. All right, I better get moving. Well, you guys, just want to say, unless you have something more you want to add.
No, we should get going. Electrical? What are they called?
Electrician.
Oh yeah, the electricians are gonna come pretty soon.
Oh, okay. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
This is Michael Lyons.
Hello.
And we'll see you again. Gigawabamin. Mina ha 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 ha. Now I'm afraid that the music might not be playing, but I guess we'll find out later. Gigawabamin.